Welcome to the JobBox Product Feature Face-Off. Today we're going to compare the JobBox 678990 Rolling Workbench versus the NAC Storage Master 49. Let's start by pointing out both brands offer a variety of drawer and shelf configurations and caster options. Both benches are designed with two-door access to drawers and shelves and are made to be portable and lockable with a single lock. Now let's look at the key differences. The JobBox measures up 2.5 inches longer, 2 inches deeper, and 2 inches taller, giving more storage space. The JobBox doors are made with the Easy Grip design that eliminates the need for bolt-on handles that can get in the way and make it difficult to store. Inside the JobBox bench, the doors are made with two shelves for more organized storage, and the door latch hooks are twice as thick for better security and face down for better safety. Both boxes are made with 16-gauge steel. However, the JobBox is made with 12-gauge steel top and bottom to allow for better durability and strength when applying accessories like a bench vise. We hope this video helps you understand all the key features that the JobBox Rolling Workbench has to help keep your tools and equipment secure and organized on the job site.